You understand English?
Pinoy.
You
Kahit,
pin-
Bisaya.
Bisaya.
Oh.
But you understand English a little bit? I don't speak Tagalog, Espanyol, sir.
Tagalog.
Tagalog. Can you speak English a little bit? You know where the mall is? I can buy mall, buy shoes for myself.
Ayun dun, mall.
There.
Oh, yeah.
What's the name of the mall?
Sano Ostue.
Sano
Ostue.
Estue.
Oh, yeah. Sano.
Very very far. How many minutes?
Dun dumoy. Yeah. Yeah, dun.
Can you join me there? Go there.
Oh, yeah.
You come with me. Go there. Is it far?
Apa? Yeah.
I have just a little money here. I don't know, 1,000. Maybe later I give you change, okay? You the parking boy here?
Oh. Mau.
Mahaw.
Oh,
What's mahaw? You want
Eating.
kaon?
Oh, da.
Kaon para di ka ma-brother.
Oh, badel.
Sige. Unya pag makakambyo ko kay 1,000 man gud ni.
Ay,
Hatagan
balik.
ta ka kwarta gamay ha.
Balik, alas 12 balik.
Alas 12 oh. Diri ra man ka.
I don't know.
Na dito ra man ka.
Living.
Okay, sige aper.
Ah.